Assalamu alaikum. I am Fahar, roll number 011.
My name is Hurmat Alam Beg, roll number 051.
Myself, Adwajuddin, roll number 105.
My name is Nita and my roll number is 010.
My name is Khadija Azam, 089.
I am Sayyid Ali Rza, roll number 17.
You grow up when your father gets you a chessboard instead of a ball. You grow up.
When you learn to cycle without side wheels, you grow up.
When your hand hold a secret better than a pencil, grow up.
When you finish your homework by yourself, you grow up.
Then you carry a pot of water home for the first time, you grow up.
When you sleep with responsibilities instead of dreams, you grow up.
You grow up.
मेरा नाम अब्दुल वली है।
सही है। तो करते क्यों ये काम?
हमारा मेहनत है।
मेहनत है। ठीक है। स्कूल क्यों नहीं जाते?
मैं 12 पढ़ता हूँ।
हाँ,
12 पढ़ता हूँ।
स्कूल क्यों नहीं जाते? स्कूल 12 तो ठीक है, माशाल्लाह पढ़ते हो, स्कूल का क्यों नहीं जाते?
तो उसके बाद मैं बकरे सिखाता हूँ।
स्कूल का जाने का दिल नहीं करता? क्यों? हाँ,
यही काम है।
यही काम है। सही है।
Child labor in Pakistan. The percentage of child labor in Pakistan is 22. More than 12.5 million children are involved in child labor in our country. According to a survey held in 2014-15 by Pakistan's labor force, those children aged between 10 to 14 years active in child labor. 61% were boys and 88% came from the rural areas. Child labor is most common in Multan because this city is the center for the export of goods. For the children working at brick kilns, a survey was held in Punjab by the Punjab Labour Department. Millions of children perform domestic tasks and work in agriculture. Child labor is illegal in Pakistan because both constitutional and labor laws in our country banned the employment of children before the age of 14 years on August 6, 2020. In 2018, labor law agencies acted against child labor in Pakistan, so now the punishment of employers of children will be imprisonment for a term of at least 2 years and a maximum of 5 years, or a fine of at least 50,000 rupees or both. In Pakistan, child labor is a serious human rights issue with the millions of children working to support their families.
मेरा नाम कासम है। मुझे स्कूल पढ़ने का शौक है। घर के हालात की वजह से मैं
These children are deprived of their basic right to education, showing it links to poverty, lack of access to education, and ineffective government laws and policies. This video aims to highlight the seriousness of the child labor issue. Pakistan is an economically developing country where poverty and inflation are high. These factors ultimately promote child labor. This video suggests various ways to resolve the issue of child labor with an integrated long-term approach based on community needs and requirements, including initiating poverty eradication programs, providing income-generating opportunities to poor families, implementing a free primary and compulsory education, vocational training for children, awareness programs, and enforcing laws and policies by the state.
5 ways we can help eradicate child labor in all its forms. Stakeholders must take responsibility so children do not work because they want to, and parents would ideally much rather see their children receive an education. Child labor is socially accepted when people see no other option but to send their children to work. Government must abide by internationally accepted agreements. Companies must employ adults instead of children, and importantly, consumers must not buy goods produced by the child labor. Increased access to education. Removing children from child labor does not mean that they will automatically attend school. Schooling can be expensive or of very poor quality, and so some parents think sending their children to work is the obvious alternative. Both large and smaller businesses can make their contribution by raising awareness about the importance of education in their workplaces, communities, industries, and sectors. Provide support for children. Children are also at greater health and safety risk in the workplace for a number of reasons. Number 1, lack work experience. Children are less able to make informed judgments. Number 2, want to perform well. Children are willing to go to the extra mile without realizing the risk. Number 3, learn unsafe health and safety behavior from adults. Number 3, might not be carefully trained or supervised. Engage with the Sustainable Development Goals. Under the Sustainable Development Goals (SDG), Pakistan has committed to take immediate and effective measures to eradicate forced labor, modern slavery, and human trafficking, as well as secure the boycott and elimination of the worst forms of child labor, including the recruitment or use of child soldiers.
say yes to quality education.